Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Netrixon channel. I'm really excited to have you here for another video. Today we're going to dive into one of the most mysterious AI models ever released. Have you ever heard about an AI model that appeared for just a few days, shocked the internet with its insane power, and then suddenly disappeared? That mysterious model was called Nano Banana. But here's the twist. Nano Banana never really disappeared. It just came back under another name. In this video, I'll show you step by step what Nano Banana really is, test it against other image AIs, and reveal how you can still use it today. Now, some of you might have seen the name Nano Banana on forums or social media. For a very short time, it created a buzz. Everyone was shocked by the quality of its images. And then, almost as quickly as it appeared, it vanished. But the truth is, Nano Banana was actually the code name for Gemini 2.5, Google's latest multimodal AI. What makes Gemini 2.5, or Nano Banana, so special? It's multimodal. It doesn't just understand text. It can also work with images, audio, and even video. It was trained on Google's TPU supercomputers, which makes it much faster and more powerful than diffusion-based models like Stable Diffusion or even Flux. And its image generation is built around something called a contextual vision encoder, which means it doesn't just read the words you type, it understands their relationships, giving you incredibly realistic images. But before we dive into Nano Banana itself, let's run a quick experiment. First, let's use the ChatGPT image generator. Go to the ChatGPT website. Sign in with your Google account or create a new account if you don't have one. You can easily log in using your Google account. It only takes a few clicks. After logging in, click the plus button and then select Create Image. I'll type the following prompt. Ronaldo is selling food at a KFC restaurant. Now we wait for the result. Since generating an image with ChatGPT takes some time, I'll speed up this part of the video so your time won't be wasted. While ChatGPT is working hard on creating this image, it's probably having a little conversation with itself like, should I make the colors brighter or add more sparkle? Maybe just one more pixel of perfection? It's like watching a tiny digital artist who refuses to rush. Don't worry, it's almost done. Let's see what our little AI artist comes up with. And here it is. The output is not great. The details are missing. Ronaldo doesn't look realistic. And overall, it feels artificial. So ChatGPT can generate images, but clearly this isn't the best tool for what we want. Next, let's test the same prompt with Flux Kontext. Go to Google, type Flux Kontext, and open the site flux-ai.io. From the top menu, select Flux AI Image Generator. Log in with Google. It's super quick. Enter the same text. Ronaldo is selling food at a KFC restaurant. Click Generate. Here's the result. Definitely better than ChatGPT. The face looks more realistic, the environment is sharper, and it feels closer to a real photo. But still, is this the best we can get? Or is there something more powerful? If you search for Nano Banana on Google, you'll find a site called nanobanana.io. When you open it, it claims the AI model that outperforms Flux Kontext. But here's the catch. This site doesn't actually use Nano Banana. It's just using Flux Kontext in the background and branding itself as Nano Banana. So while it produces decent images, it's not the real thing. So the question remains, where is the real Nano Banana? The answer. Nano Banana is actually Gemini 2.5 by Google. When it first appeared, it was released under the playful name Nano Banana for a short testing period. But after showing off its insane power, Google officially branded it as Gemini 2.5. This is where things get exciting. Gemini 2.5's image generation is on another level because it uses contextual understanding, so it knows that Ronaldo should look like Ronaldo, KFC should look like KFC, and even lighting and textures should match reality. It's faster than most diffusion models, and the detail it provides is often indistinguishable from real photography. So how can you actually use Nano Banana today? The answer is a site called elmarina.ai, openelmarina.ai. By default, it shows you the battle mode, where two AIs generate side-by-side images. Don't change that for now. In the search bar, select Generate Images. Type your prompt. Ronaldo is selling food at a KFC restaurant. Click Generate. Now you'll see two images labeled Assistant A and Assistant B. One of them is powered by Gemini 2.5, but you won't know which. The key is, both images are extremely realistic, with details you simply don't get from ChatGPT or Flux. If you want to make sure you're directly using Nano Banana, switch from Battle to Direct Chat. On the right drop-down menu, select Gemini 2.5 Flash. Enter your prompt again, and now you know for sure it's Nano Banana, and the results are stunning. Quick note, I have huge respect for Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm only using this example for educational purposes. The image created by Nano Banana imagined a custom restaurant for Cristiano Ronaldo, and although it's not KFC, it was made with better details and quality. By changing the prompt, you can replace the restaurant with KFC easily. So what does the future look like? Google plans to integrate Gemini 2.5 into its ecosystem. That means soon you might be able to generate images directly from Google Search or even in Google Photos. Imagine typing in Google, "Show me a picture of Ronaldo working at KFC," and instantly getting a realistic AI-generated image. This shows how close we are to a world where AI image generation is built into everyday tools. So let's recap. ChatGPT image generator, weak results. Flux context, better but not amazing. Nanobanana.io, fake, just Flux with a different name. Real Nano Banana equals Gemini 2.5 by Google, and the quality is simply unmatched. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Google's Gemini will dominate AI image generation? Or will OpenAI or Flux catch up? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Netrixon so you don't miss the next tutorials. On this channel, we're not just focusing on AI, we'll be creating helpful tutorials across many different topics. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.